Hello dear students, this is teacher Haris Bhatt and you are seeing my YouTube channel Learn Accounting with Sir Haris. Obviously you are depressed, you are stressed and you are very much, tomorrow you are going to have the most difficult paper, which is paper 3, 9706, May-June 2025, paper 3, which is the most difficult paper, and the paper will be difficult one again as we can say about paper 2 also. Okay, so let's talk about the paper 3. The grade threshold will be around 42, but the first question, let me make you understand, is from manufacturing account. But in manufacturing account, the question basically relates with two kind of products, like luxury sofa and the normal sofa, like the watches and clocks, and you have to prepare one we are manufacturing and the other one we are basically purchasing and selling directly, and then you have to prepare the income statement. Or we have a question of company with manufacturing account, in which some international accounting standards will also be asked. And why provision for unrealized profit is created? That is a theoretical question which can come in the exam. Along with this, the second question will be from schedule of non-current assets, and schedule of non-current asset, in that question we have impairment of asset IS 36, we have IS 10 adjusting events will also be a part of that, and part exchange of an asset will also be part of that with reducing balance method. There will be revaluation of a non-current asset also. The asset will be revalued. Land and building combined will be given. Only building will be revalued. So that question will definitely be a tough one for you. Remember that if there is an impairment of asset, you don't need to record the impairment of that particular asset in the cost section or the depreciation section. You just need to write the impairment loss in the depreciation and impairment. You will write depreciation and impairment, and in that particular section you will record impairment loss, and you will add that impairment loss in depreciation, and then total, you will get the total and will subtract the cost, that total provision for depreciation from the cost. That's it. No need to write the cost and the depreciation of the impaired asset two times. No need, because the Cambridge has changed the policy in the recent exam. So that's now has become little easier. Okay, then with schedule of non-current assets, we can have some part of statement of changes in equity with reversal method. Yes, with reversal method, and two ratios is important only. That is working capital cycle and net working assets to revenue ratio. That's it. These two ratios you have to do. The third question is from business purchase, which is the normal one, relation capital account or new prepared balance sheet, and sometimes the examiner asks you to prepare the journal entries, which student doesn't, they find it very difficult. Then if business purchase will not come, which I believe that business purchase might not come, we have a question of profit and loss sharing arrangement. And in profit and loss sharing arrangement, remember that this is not possible that you are going to have a question of admission or a simple retirement or dissolution. No, there will be a question of admission and retirement together, or a question of profit and loss sharing arrangement, in which there is an admission first, then there is a retirement, 3 months, 9 months, 6 months, 4 months, 8 months. That is going to be a possibility, right? So these are the questions which are going to come in your exam. And theoretical part, I have discussed with you that the provision for unrealized profit, maybe profit and loss sharing arrangement, they will be asked about the current account, that what is current account, why we used to go for interest on drawings. So these kind of questions can come in the IS which are important. They are IS 36, 37 and IS 8 for the retrospective effect, and the IS 10 adjusting events. But it will be a part of schedule of non-current asset. If schedule of non-current asset will not come, we have a cash flow statement, IS 7, right? And there can be a theoretical question of that what is the difference between revaluation and realization. It is possible that this theoretical question can come in the exam. Then in cash flow statement, you have a question of cash flow statement, which is a difficult one, but what is given? Increase in inventory, increase in trade receivable, increase in retained earnings, increase in provision for depreciation, increase in non-current asset, increase in interest cost. So with that particular type of question, you will be having a cash flow statement question will come that way, right? So this is the whole question. I wish you good luck and feel free to, I know that there were so many guesses are going around. Inshallah, we'll speak about the paper 2 and this paper also, and about all these things which is happening around you. in tomorrow's class. Inshallah, I will get the paper around 1:30, 1:45. I will upload the paper as soon as possible. I'll get it. Thank you very much. Take care. God bless you. Feel free to ask me any questions. 033347128897. Subscribe my channel on Facebook and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Good luck.